Testing, testing, get a volume check. Let's get a volume checker. Okay, how y'all doing? Good morning. Good morning. We're gonna be playing with Nadex for a couple of days. I'm just going to see what's going to happen with it. Not taking anything, you know. Damn, that U.S. CAD is dropping. I figured that thing was going to drop. We already had CAD that dropped. There's a price level at I don't know if it's going to get down that far, but if it does, it does. I'm gonna plug this stuff, get the desk ready. For those who are new to my channel, click like, subscribe. I would love to build this channel up, but I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear. That's probably why I don't got that many members. I'm going to tell you the truth about trading. That's the difference between me and a lot of traders. We got a price at 25.58, so that'd be the price that we'll be looking at. We're going to trade off the puller price, of course. The price we're looking for CAD. If it get down there, apparently CAD has news. I haven't checked it yet. Let me check it in a minute. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 5, 5, 8. So that's what we got on CAD right now. This is going to be the one that one of many we'll be looking at. So we know it should be able to get down here and touch this wick down here and take out that wick right there. That's the price we're going to be going for today right there. We're going to be trading mainly Nadex. You can trade Forex. You can trade futures with your same accounts. You know, I still got an account with TraderVay. I also got an account with Oanda, but I'm going to be focused a little bit on Nadex for once. We also have, so we have that one done. And trading 12 of these things now. We also have a good price on this one right here. We want to pay attention to these two. These two are set up. This one, which is Euro USD, that one has already hit one of our major price. Hold on, let me see something. Hold on, let me close this out. I need to bring that back up. Where did it go? Damn it, where did it go? Oh, looking to the left, it was to my right. Okay, there we go. So now let me get it back up. Another thing we're going to be looking at is for this one also. Ooh, I should have did that. I got a text right there in the middle, don't I? I got to get rid of that. I got to get rid of that. 36 is really close already on US yen that has already hit the target. Man, that really sucks. All right, Clever, I'm gonna have to lock you up or son, kick you out the room. You already bothered me, little dude. You gotta use the bathroom or son. It should be able to take out that wick right there today. We want to get a puller price on that one as well, if we can, and see what's going to happen. So we're going to be looking at that one to take out the high wick and knock out and get up back up to that 35. So this is going to be the price for that one today. So that's what we got so far. That's what we got so far that we're going to be looking at right there so far. Let me cycle through them again. We want that CAD to pull up, believe it or not. We want that CAD to pull up just a little bit. I need to put a chart out here. Oh, not that one. I need a Nadex. I need Nadex. All right. Little account is building up, man. I'm really surprised. I'm not surprised, but I'm surprised because I'm not a big fan of Nadex at all. So we want to pay attention to US CAD right now. What time? That's 11. No, this one should go up. Man, that'd be a good price right there. Man, that'd be a good price, especially with it sitting at 31. And that spread is really, really low. Too much though. We want to stay under $40 on every trade. So that's what we're going to be looking for. We're not going to try to take no more than anything over $40 trades. So we're only going to risk, no matter what happens, $40. I'm going to try. I'm not going to promise you nothing. I'm going to try. Another thing, make sure y'all have any question you have, please put them in a box at 10, 15. I answer the questions. I'm going to just go through and try to knock them out. So this one right here looks really, really good, man. Damn, it went back up on us. Man, we could have had some money already, couldn't we? Sure could have. Could have got a little $5 out of that, but let's wait. Let's see what's going to happen. Let's see, can we get a puller price? US CAD. Also US CAD. $11. Got a price to get down here. Trying to figure out, should we do a daily on these things? Daily. All these are dailies. US CAD. Damn, that CAD dropped on us. Man, that sucked. Man, that really sucked. Man, it hit our target, y'all. Man, that sucked. Look at that. Spiked down, hit our target, came right back up. That sucked. Man, that really sucked. Well, that was done. That knocked out one of our setups for the day. Oh well. Let's see what's going to happen with it. Man, that really sucked. That really sucked. Man, that sucked. Okay, there's no big issue. We'll continue on. Ain't no sense of crying about it. What's happened, what's happening, what's done is done. Nothing we can do about it. That knocked out one of our setups for the day. What happened, happened. Give me a second, I have to update the charts now. Give me a second here. That sucked. That sucked. I'm really surprised gold is not making a move on the top side. I am really, really, really surprised. This one just hit our target as well. It just hit it. Right there. Man, I guess I might well just stop this video already, man. We're gonna definitely need a pull-up price. That definitely knocked out our target as well. It's two of them down. Now I have to find something, y'all. Let me see how many people watching. I probably could stop this video early because it really done knocked out most of our easy setups. The rest of them going to take a while to come back. I don't know if I'm gonna be on this video that long. We still got a little life on that Euro USD, Euro Yen, so we can still play with it just a little bit. I don't think we can play with it no more. It's still going up. Man, that would have been a nice trade. Okay. Yeah, it really started hitting some of our good prices now. We can still trade it if we can find a puller price on it, but other than that, nothing we can do with that one. All right, let's see what else we got here. Let me update all these charts. Let me update everything real quick here. Actually, we can take this one down. This look good to scalp down. This one actually has a good price sitting at that 80.06. 80.06 has a good price at that 80.06. What time is this? That 80.06 right there, but see, that's just a little too high for y'all. Let's see, can we get this over $60? It's at 84 right now, which is good. That'd actually be a decent trade right here. This one would be better, but that right there, we should be able to make some money off that and be in and out that trade. This one, if we get this over $60, $61, $62, you know, it might be worth us, you know, taking a little glimpse at it. That one right there. We get this over $60. This one might be worth us taking a glimpse at it. That looks good to go down, especially hit that 80. So you won't make much, but you know, let's see what's gonna happen. They're getting up there. There is another price at 86. So once it hit 86, that might tell us something. We'll come back to that one as well. Damn, that yen just going up. Man, that CAD news really hurt. It knocked off a lot of our prices. Oh man, that was pretty good at 62. I'm gonna have to take that at 62. That'd be risking all right, let me look at that for a while. Well, we took that one at 62. All right, so that's CAD. So that'd be a good one right there, CAD, US CAD. That should drop. Whenever we go in the profit, people, y'all can take it how you want to take it. I got an 80 on that one. Still got an 80, 86 that could hurt, 87, 88 on there. It's gonna be a long trade. You take a profit however you like your profits, people. You can take them. I don't. I just my goal is just to get you in the profit. That's my goal. That's how I feel. Like if I did something to get you in the profit, I'm good to go. I mean, I don't know how much profit it's going to be, but let's look. Gold, we definitely won't be trading that today. Gold is in our no. Well, you know what? We can trade gold. Let me look at it. Nah, we can't trade gold. Gold, the charts are off balance. Yen, we can trade that one. They went up a little higher than I anticipated. But we got plenty of time on this. Got plenty of time. Nobody's watching it. I cannot get this YouTube channel up for nothing in the world. What is it? I think people, maybe I should leave my videos up a little longer. I have no idea. So it's like CAD really kind of spiked up out there. Take a look at CL then, because CAD is off. We can actually trade CL. We'll be chasing it, but you can chase trades with Nadex. You know, other things you don't want to chase trades with. You know, I think that's one of the bad habits that, definitely is created with Nadex. Is, like I said, you can chase trades and do things that you normally wouldn't do. Let's take a look at NQ, RTY. Nothing on RTY yet. Let's see here. Ooh, that's not good. Ooh, that's not good. This one we have a price target of 95 now. That is not good. That is not good. How much you got risk? $40. Let's watch that closely now. But that's going to expire at 45 minutes, so we good to go for a while. Let me look at it again. Make sure I didn't miss nothing. No, I didn't. That might be a problem. Might be a big problem now. Man, I should have sold it right there. I would double sell it, but I'm not. I ain't gonna teach y'all no bad habits. Especially when I'm recording. I don't like to teach bad habits. Give me a second, be right back. I'm gonna walk the dog real quick. I'll come back about 15, about 10, 4 minutes. Give me a second. Oh, shit. I better take that profit on this. That ain't much. Shit. How far did it go down? Oh, damn. I was outside, but I just happened to come in. What is that? I have no idea how this shit works. All right. So we got that money. It just got filled. All right. So that was a good trade, people. That was, so what percentage did we make off that trade? So we risked what, 38. So let's pull up our calculator. Everything is always about percentage, people. We'll make sure we always go by percentage. We sold at 62, so risk 38. No. Because Nadex is $1 in and $1 out. So we need to clear that. We need to go to 40. And we made $11 off that. That's what, 30. I need to do the backwards, you know. Let me see, hold on. Let me see how I used to do this. So we made what, about 30%, 28%. So we made 28% off that trade. That's good. It just hit our target. So it hit the target, people. So that was a good trade right there. So let's see, can I find you another one to make you happy? If I find you another one, then we'd be good to go. Okay, let's take a look at Euro. Let's take a look at ES. Oh, ES look pretty decent, man. Oh, ES looks pretty good to go up. Let's take a look at it overall. So we got one down. Ooh, rat's ass. ES is in the shitty area, which is right there. Damn, we didn't want to see that. We wanted to stay out that area. We got a gap on ES. We're gonna come back and look at ES again. Come back and look at that one again. Let me look at it overall again. Yeah, we better leave ES alone. Yeah, we better leave ES alone. CL, we can touch CL, but we'll be chasing it. So we definitely have to get a puller price. We can actually trade Euro, pound USD too. I mean, pound USD. So we can actually trade that one. Let's see if we get a puller price on that one. This thing might drop, pound USD. Okay. So pound USD is starting to come out of that scalping area. So it's starting to come out of this scalping area right here. Starting to come out of that scalping area. It could drop. I don't know. I haven't traded Forex in years, so I really don't know how it moves like it used to. But I know it's in that it's coming out of that scalping area. So that's something we can really start looking at, to take advantage of that, especially if it gives us a pull up price. The prices are pretty far down there, man. That was a good trade, people. That was a damn good trade right there, man. I mean, to get 28% of your money, man, if we could just maintain that, for the next, month, man, we can make a lot of money, man. That's all we got to do is maintain stuff like that for the next couple months. And man, I mean, that's do the math on that shit. Some of y'all might think 28% is not a lot. One thing about me, I don't trade by price, I trade by percentages. So somebody might look and say you made $11. But if you take that same 28%, so let me show you what I'm talking about. That's 28%. That's huge. That's huge profit. Unfortunately, people really don't look at it. The big picture, when you're talking about compounding, So man, that really gets up there. And I had made a joke about it, and I'm crazy enough to try this stuff now. So is this 28%? That's 30, pretty close. Let's put it at 28. So if we could just maintain 28% and this in 1 month, see, a lot of people don't know how that compounded interest goes. So technically we'll be done for the day, but we're not, because I see some more trades. If we could just maintain that 28%, and tomorrow we have 50, tomorrow we have to get $14. So tomorrow, if we can get a $14 trade or just be successful at $14, And within that 1 month, we can build that up to $7,000, people. I mean, that's just talking though. I mean, I've seen numbers like that before, and I'm not saying they realistic. I'm just crazy enough to try to see if it's possible, you know. So let's get back to what we got going on. Okay, what am I missing? RTY looks good to drop though. Man, none of these are. Okay. Let me see. Let me look at pound yen. Let's go back to pound yen. Man, that was lovely, people. Man, I really wish people was in here because I would like to know if anybody's still in that trade. Man, I told you that thing was going to drop, and you know, a lot of people would get out that trade a lot longer than me. Man, that's a damn good trade right there, man. That trade now is worth what? What is that trade worth now? Oh my God, look at that. Man. Hey, it is what it is. Man, that looks nice. That looks nice. That looks really, really nice, man. And we sold this at 62. 62. Man, you really talking about 50% of your money, man. That's pretty damn good, man. That's damn good trade, man. We called that one, man. We called that one to the T. Well, it's over now. You know, I didn't stay in it long enough. But you know what? No, I didn't. We was going for a price, and that's what hit, and that's how you play it. You know, you can't feel bad and say, hey, you know, I got out early, I did this, I did that wrong. Don't think like that. You did what you were supposed to do. You went in, you got the money, you left. That's that. End the story. Next page. Turn it on. Let's take a look at these futures now. Futures market still looking good. What do we got going on? That one already hit our target, so that one spiked down and spiked down. So we can get rid of this one here. That's done. Let's get rid of you. We don't need no more of this information, because once it hits the price, we're kind of done with it. Uh-oh. Trying to get rid of that. I'm gonna have to do it this way. Watch this. So I'm a pretty smart dude, man. Pretty smart. Yeah. Yeah, pretty smart. Yeah, dude. All right. So we got that done. We can still do, we were going to go for a down scalper on this one. So let me look at it again. Oh no, that was the one we took. One. It sure was. You know, we already took that one, so let's get rid of that one. That's at that 8. But oh, let me show y'all something. Remember, our price was 80. You know, once again, you know, maybe it's me, man. If I had a lot of people that would watch this stuff, you know, remember once it hit our price, you notice that it keeps playing with that same price that we said. Remember, the 80 was the price we said it should hit. We sold it to get it under 82, but 80 was the price. And if you notice, once it hit that price, it kind of like a magnet, it kind of pauses there. And that's what we want to see. We want to see it do like give us an eye wink, like, yeah, you did the right thing. You know, like a little eye wink. You know, you meet a girl at the club and she give you that eye wink, like, yeah, you might be able to take me home. Yeah, yeah. You know, but then she frown at you, you know, you don't do the right job. You know, she's like, man, I thought you were gonna rock my world and you didn't do it, you know. So, but we need to see that eye wink when it does that. I mean, that's what I call it, an eye wink. So we're done with that. All right, so we're done with that one. So we're definitely gonna be done. If I say something, well, like I said, ain't nobody's in here. Let me look at this thing again. Okay, nobody's in there. Nobody's in here. All right. We want to build this account up where we can start really, really pushing heavy hitting money on it. Man, that was a nice trade, y'all. That was a really, really nice trade. That was a really nice trade. Let's take a look at some stocks real quick. One of the stocks we need to take a look at is DSS. Where's DSS? Oh, that dropped. That sucked. Let's take a look at some stocks here. Okay. I'm really not in too many stocks. Besides that DSS. Another one I had called the other day, which would be, damn, which one was that? Not Recon. Recon is suck. Man, I feel sorry for the people who invest in that one, man. Oh, Sundial. Let's see, Sundial 46. Oh, that looks good. It's coming up. I told people that would start to come up. Okay, so that one doesn't look that bad. Actually, I should have bought it when it was at 46. It dropped down. Let's see what this one guy was chasing his trade on. Let's see where he at on this one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Man, I need to not call him, man. He got hurt bad. I told him not to touch that one. All right, let's get back to us making money. Okay, we looked at that crap. Let's look at us making some money, making some more money. Man. Okay, let's look at yen. Let's look at the yen. What time is it? Man. Let's look at yen real quick, y'all. We're looking for a buy on this one, 34. About 28 minutes on that one. Get above 30. If that thing spikes down underneath there, that would definitely be the one we're going to take. If that thing spikes underneath 30 one more time and hit that 28, there is a target at 27. So if it taps that 27, between now and then, we're definitely going to take that trade. We want to get it under 40, but we wanted to tap that 27. There's a price level that's right at 20. Where else we got? We got 26, 27. So there's a price level, believe it or not, that's right here. So if it comes down and tap that price level, we're going to automatically buy it to go up. You know, we're going to buy that to go up. If it comes down and tap that price level, that's if it comes down. If it doesn't come down, we're not going to touch it. We just want to watch it. But it has to come down and touch that price level because it gave us a great puller price at 32. So there's a great puller price at 32 that we can really, really work with. But we don't want it to hit 32. So let me show you exactly what's going on. Let me explain to you what we're looking to do. Oh, what's that? Oh, hold on. Where's the price at? Where's that price at? Oh man, let this thing go down just a little bit more. Now y'all don't have to take this trade. I'm probably gonna take it. I try to keep y'all under 40. I'm gonna take this one up. All right, I'm in that trade. You can take your profit on this one. Oh, that looks good, people. How do you close these trades? I don't know too much about Nadex. All right, let's watch that for a second here. Oh, that's getting up there. Can I close it right here? I just want to see what happens if I hit close. I'm gonna wait till you get over $5. Oh, so I got to clear. Okay, there we go. We'll take that 1075 again. Okay, great move. Great, another good trade, people. Another great trade. We are on the money today. We're gonna take that one. If that thing come back down, we're gonna hit it one more time. I think, oh my God, that's a good price, y'all. That 32 is a strong, 31 and 32 is a strong price. That thing hit 27 again, we're gonna hit them one more time. That thing hit 27 again, we're gonna hit them one more time because that 30, it just created another one to give us another wink. So that's gonna be great. Oh my God, let that thing come back down again. Man, please do not hit that 31. Please. I hit that goddamn 31. Damn, it just hit it. See it? And I hit our 32. Man, that sucked. Man, we need that thing to come back down. Come on back down again, man. That thing hit that 27 again within the next 15, 20 minutes. We're going to hit this joker one more time. Come on down. Let it hit that 27. Let it hit that 27. Come on, baby. Roll them dice, baby. Roll them dice. Daddy need a new car. Mama need a new house. Kids need some new toys. Neighbors want to borrow some money. Not. Uh-oh, my wife calling me. I know that's my wife. I know. I could tell when it's my wife calling me because the phone sounds sexy. When she called me, she'd be like, ooh, yeah. You know what I'm saying? That what she be saying. Ooh, Mr. Lincoln. That what she be calling me. All right, hold on. Let me put this on mute because I don't want y'all to hear my wife talk sexy to me. She might say something that y'all might be trying to come and find out where I live. All right, sorry about that. Mrs. was calling me. She wanted to tell me how much she loved a real man. And that looks really, really good. That's a $30. That's a $30. I'm gonna have to taste this one. If it drops back down, let's see what's gonna happen. All right, sorry about that. Oh, Mrs. was calling me. What's up? What's up, young? What up, Anart? How you doing, man? I'm here playing with Nadex, man. I'm actually been killing this damn thing. I'm gonna try to incorporate what I got going on. Oh, that looks really good, man. There's a puller price at 32. Remember that number, man. There's a hold on. There's still a puller price at 32. Oh man, that looks so good. Where's that 22 at? That looks so good to buy. Man, that looks really good. Man, that looks so good. I'm gonna leave it alone. It's dropping down too hard on me. But I'm trying my best, man, to get this YouTube channel up and running. So I'm gonna be running all of them now. I'm basically be going through everything, showing the price levels, what I'm looking at, and so forth. Let me look at this one more time. Let me look at this one. If this thing even taps 30, I have to take it. Not that I want to, but I have to. There's a 17. All these look so good. I'm gonna leave it alone for right now. You know. Well, let me look. Man, I told you that damn thing looked good. What was that, above 22? No, it was above 26. I'm gonna watch that. I'm gonna watch it. There is a 17, so that could come back to play. But we're gonna come back and watch that one again. It still got a lot of up pressure on that one, believe it or not. Still got a lot of up pressure. We missed the trade. I was out and about. I'm sorry about that, y'all. We missed it on USD, pound USD. We missed it. We missed one. It's all good though. Let's see what else is going on. The indices are dropping. All right, let's see. If that thing closes like that on RTY, it's gonna create a really, really nice, man, that 26. Man, oh well. Man, the indices are dropping, people. NQ did go take out that gap, which was right here. NQ had a gap that was sitting there. I'm glad that's off the books. Not that I would have traded it. Not that I would have traded that gap. I can care less about that gap. But the problem is, when I trade, I don't like the market to give me no kind of problems. I like to, it's hard to get the market to have smooth sailing anyway. So you want to get into the market where the market doesn't have too many problems. You don't want to have no problems that are lingering nowhere when you're trading. The more problems, the more issues you can have. And that's one thing I try my best to kind of veer away from when the market does things like that. Man, that thing is about to close above that 26 that we said. That looks good, man. That looks really, really good. But, we're chasing it now. There's no sense of us giving them this money back. Keep your money in your pocket. Let's see what else we got going on here. CL. So we know we still got the USD yen. This one that we're still looking at. Pound USD is pulling up. Ooh, ES actually looks good now. ES, even though it's dropping, it actually looks really, really good. Hold on. Something ain't right. As my son would say, wait a minute. Oh, we needed ES to drop, didn't we? We sure did. Sure did. Man, I bet it, I got to make sure I pull up on this screen. Let me put a red thing right here, so I know that I need to stay focused on the stronger trade. Okay, so we needed that to drop. I'm gonna say this doesn't look good. Why would I want this to go up? And how I catch things like that, when you're making notes, people, make sure you put notes when you're trading. See, I got this note. So as soon as I went to this page right here, I noticed like I was going to think about buying it to go up. And I'm like, that doesn't look right, because I always put the shaded area that lets me know, hey, to stay away from that area, to stay away from that area. And, I mean, you can trade it, but you can scalp it. And, I try my best not to scalp. If we're trading Nadex, we can scalp all day long. I don't feel bad, because Nadex, we're not going to risk no more. Like I said, we try our best to risk no more than $40 every trade. That's what we're going to try. But on the flip side of that, we want to still take solid trades, people. We want to take solid trades. In the future, what I'm going to do is I'm going to see which one works best. We can trade them all. It doesn't matter. My strategy works across the board. It doesn't matter what my strategy works, whether you're doing options. My strategy works whether you're doing futures, Forex. Binary is a little tricky because you're basing things on time. That's the only bad thing about binary. So binary, when you're basing things on a time factor, that kind of hurts my strategy, because my strategy is based on price. So I don't know when the price is going to hit. I don't, like today when we said this one, we didn't know when this price was going to hit, but we just had the right price. Same way with this one, and we didn't trade this one, but this one. Oh, hey, I was supposed to put this down here too. So we don't know when that price is going to hit. That price might hit later on. Price might hit today. I have no idea. Like I'm telling y'all, this one created a new price at 32. Now, I don't know when that price is going to hit. It might hit 11 o'clock tonight. It might hit 2. God, oh, that thing really closed above that 26, y'all. Man, but I don't know when. So, but getting back to my strategy works across the board. So if you want to trade stocks, my strategy works. If you want to trade options, my strategy works. And I know somebody can say, well, options and binary options, they both got a time factor. That's true. But the difference is with binary, most of the time factors are the ones I'm choosing. The ones I'm choosing are actually shorter time frames. So that's the problem. That's the only problem there. That thing jumped up there really, really good, people. My goodness, that would have been a lovely, lovely trade. We're going to definitely do this tomorrow. I'm not done yet. There's so much we got to do. The problem is now with me trading 12 things, trading 12 things, it's a little bit harder to kind of pay attention to. I'm going to have to really, really try to tweak it on how to get it, the best method I possibly can, because trading all 12 of these things are not easy at all. And there's a lot of things I'm missing. So I'm definitely going to have to try to tweak it some kind of way, and see which works best. Which one works best. Oh. All right, let me close this out. So let's see what we got going on. Any questions? Like I said, people, when you're looking at these videos, I try my best to erase my videos. The reason why I erase my videos, like Anarch that was in here, he can verify, he can vouch for me. When I throw my prices out there, my prices are pretty damn solid. I'm going to tell you that right now. My prices are the type of prices that people write down and later on they can use them. So my prices are really, really, really solid. I just don't throw anything out there. I put a lot of time and dedication into finding these prices. They're not just prices that, so let's see what we got going on. Any question, like I said, you don't have to worry about price mechanics with, well, you're right. And that's, like I said, that's the only problem with binary, because when you're talking about pricing, you're trying to bet and hope within that time frame that happens. So Anarch is definitely correct on that. And that's why I said when it comes to pricing in binary, it's kind of a little shaky. I've been testing it out. I'm gonna tell you what I've been doing, Anarch. And I know because you've been following me for a while. I've been really testing my pull-up price out with binary. So far, it's working very, very, very damn good. I mean, it's working really. I mean, I'm really impressed. And you know, when you rewind the video, I'm pretty sure you're gonna go back to the videos and rewind them and see how it's been working. It's been working really good. But one thing that me and Anarch would definitely agree is the fact is, when you're dealing with binary and pricing and time, man, you hate to put a time on when a trade's going to happen. I'm telling you, you cannot. That's hard to do. So I totally agree with him on that. It is really, really, it's not an easy task at all. It's not an easy task. Let's see what we got going on here now. Let me see make sure he ain't already asked no more questions. Okay, so we got that done. So did it hit that 32? I don't know. I was talking. Let me double check. I didn't set an alert for it. It's about to. It's getting close to hit that 32. Right now in a minute, it's going to hit it. There's a 32 that's sitting up there. Man, that looks really, really good to hit that 32. Do these things got 5 minutes too, don't they? I'm just curious. I just want to see what's going to happen. $29. That's a 5-minute binary. What time is it? Oh, it's about to close in 1 minute. I want to see what's going to happen here. I want to see what's going to happen on the next one. Man, it's about to hit that. Damn, it hit that 32. That sucked. That sucked. It really did. We didn't need that thing to hit 32. The price is really just a tad bit above 32. I just gave you 32. That sucked. Oh, I want to see what happens when this expires. I want to see what's going to happen here. Still got just a little bit more to go, just a tad bit more. It's really close to it. It just haven't tapped it yet. It's really, really close to it. Man, it's playing with that 32. Man. We got just a little bit more in this, y'all. If it hit 33, we definitely know we're done. If it hit 30, okay, let me see. I want to see what's going to happen. How does this stuff work? You got to refresh it. Let's see if this refreshes. Oh, come on, refresh. Oh, hold on. What's that, 33? Damn, that's a big ass damn spread. Man, that spread is too much for me. Man, this is not moving. Okay, so definitely I better lead up. Okay, what just happened? Man, that looks good. That looks really, really good. This damn thing is not moving though. Now it's moving. That thing might spike up. I don't know if it's gonna happen in 5 minutes though. I don't know when it's gonna happen. Like you said, you can't put a time on buying it. I just wanted to see what it looks like. Let's get back down here. How are we looking for that 30, above 30? What? Oh, I'm about to say that doesn't look right. I would have took that shit. I'm still, how would you say, sticky fingers when it comes to Nadex? I take that at that price per hour. Oh man, I have to get that one. When do these things update? Anybody know? Anybody here know Nadex better than me? I need this thing to update fast. That 5-minute one, we would have did real good on that thing, man. That thing is really doing pretty good. This thing is not moving. That thing's going up. Let's see what we got going on real quick. It missed. It should tap that 30 again. Oh, damn, there you go. But it still got just a little bit more in the tank on that. Just a little. There we go again. It got just a little bit more. I want to see what's going to happen here. Let's see what's going to happen. It's got just a little bit more on the tank. Man, this thing is not. Let me refresh this or something. Is that what you got to do? Oh my God, I like to buy that shit now. Where's that shit at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Where is it at? Where? Oh, Forex. $1 o'clock. They don't have an hour. They don't have an hour on these things. Man, that looks good right there, man. That looks so good right there. That looks really, really good. That looks really good, people. Spread kind of high, but I mean, we would have made the money, but $3, but not enough. That thing should tap that 30 one more time because it still hasn't really completed what it needs to complete. So there's still a price that's lingering right about that 31, around that 31.6. So there's still a price that's lingering right there, about that 31.6. It hasn't hit it yet. It's sitting there. It's getting up there too. It's going for it too. I guess I missed that entry. See there? 31.6, about a 31.6. I'm looking at this one. I'm talking about 31.6. Y'all see it where it says right there. So this shit hit about a 31.6. Oh, there you go. It's getting close to it now. Yeah, like that. See there, 31.2, 31.3. Once that thing hit 31.6, it's over. If it hit that again, that trade damn near about over. Any questions? Let me see if anybody got any questions. See, can we find another one? Damn. Let me look at it. Where that 5-minute go again? I know nothing about these 5-minute candles. I don't trade nothing that small. There you go. See there, there you go. Now that's about hit it. All right, so let's leave that one alone. Let's see, can we find something else to make us get one more trade out? That one still looks good to go up and hit that 31. That 31, it hit that 31.6, but there you go. It's still going up. But let's see, can I find something else, one more for the road? And we have to go ahead and break where we at 295. So we just need $5 to get past 300. Let's see what we got going on here. See, can we find one more for the road here? Dang, look at that, people. Oh, well, shit happens. Hold on. Somebody text me. Okay, let's see what we got going on. See, can we grab one more for the road? Give me a second, y'all got to find one. We're looking for one with a pull-up price to it. So we're looking for one with a pull-up price to it that's set up. And if y'all like Nadex and, you know, if y'all like this method, I know me and Anart don't. I know, because me and him do not like binary. I still don't like binary. But like I said, this strategy has working like shit. I still don't like binary. So let's see what we got going on. I still don't really know how to navigate this system. Let's see what we got going on. I'm going through the charts now on the other side. See, can we find something that can appease us? That looks like it might be worth us taking a shot at it. On this binary, we only need $5 left. We get $5, that'll put us basically at about 50 something, $60. So that put us definitely, you know, pretty high up there, you know, off a $200 account. So, I mean, that was at 250 now, but, you know, I want to see, I want to see how far I can go with this account, believe it or not, people. I'm a pretty good trader, so I want to see. Man, NQ is just not giving us what we need. So we need to definitely leave NQ alone today. NQ is not giving us, I'm looking for, I will show y'all my screen, but that's my holy grail. So I can't show people how I really trade and how I find my price levels. You got to pay me a lot of money to know that. And I mean a lot. I mean, it's going to be enough where you look at that car outside and be like, oh my goodness. Okay. We can actually, no, we can't. So we can't do ES. I mean, in ES is done. The charts are off balance on ES, so we can't touch that one. So now let's go back to what we got going on real quick. So we know ES, we can only, ES, we can't touch that one unless it gets far down. So right now we're gonna be running out of time on Forex. So all the ones we can take now is we can still take USU, we can still take USN, I mean Euro US, we can take that one. We definitely can take CL. So we can take CL up on the top side if we can find a puller price. Since we're running Nadex, we can play just a little bit more. I hate to say loosely. I hate to use that word, but that's what it is. US CAD really screwed people. Oh, it dropped down too. We already got that. US CAD, actually, we can still take that down. Let me look. Let me see. Oh, no, we can't. US CAD is done. Let me see. Man, it still look, hold on. I think we might be able to touch US CAD some more, I think. Give me one quick second. Let me chop this. All right, y'all. US CAD does have a price. It has a damn good one. At that 90. It has a good one at 90. It's not set up though. It's not set up to hit it though. But it looked like it's going for it. So US CAD, let's switch those, switch gears real quick. US CAD, 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Oh, so they do got hours. Damn. They do have hours. I thought they did. Was 12 o'clock. US CAD has a good price to be able to touch that 90. That might be a good trade right there. That spread is kind of high. Let's see what you get up there. So it should be able to get down and touch that 95. So it should say 25, 95. So we want to watch this one. We might be able to capitalize on something on this one. I'm going to pay attention to this one for a second while I'm talking. Let me cut up some more charts real quick. Only bad thing about it is not set up. Now, with Nadex, you can kind of, I hate to say gamble. I hate to use that. Like Anar said, man, it's, when you're dealing with things like that, you got to be careful on how it's setting up. US CAD is, oh, there you go. It's starting to get down there. See there? See, they're starting to get down to that 95. So once say 25.95. That spread is killing me, man. It's getting down there already. Man, it's getting down there. It's not set up to hit it. There you go. See there? Still got a little bit underneath the dot. Now I don't. Now it doesn't. Now that definitely knocked it out. That definitely knocked it out. That one's gonna worth the money, no way. So we come back to that one. We're gonna look back at that one. Let's get back to the mainstream. Man. Okay, let's get back to the mainstream, see what else we got that's still lingering out, still lingering that we might be able to take. NQ, we can't touch it. Can't touch it with a 10-foot pole. Man, that US CAD is still going down there. Damn. Uh-oh, look like we got one. Pound yen. Let me see. Pound yen. Give me a pull up. Oh, we got one. We missed the pull up price. Pound yen is setting up to go up. Pound yen. That's when we can take it. We can pull it back. Damn. Pound yen. Let's go there. We got to shift gears. I'm running 12, so I apologize, people. That's a lot. This should be lower. That if that pulls down, if we can get that pull down, because there is a price just a tad bit at that 56, right at that 56. So we want to watch that. We want to see what's going to happen if that pull down without hitting it. Cut. Oh shit. That looks good. Excuse my language, y'all. I didn't mean to cuss. That looks good. Man, that looks good on a 5-minute too. I'm gonna try my best. Apologize, y'all, for thinking about 5 minutes and stuff like that, because I'm still trying my best to, adapt to Nadex on how Nadex do what they do. I think Nadex has so much potential. I really, truly do. I think it has a lot of potential. Pound yen looks good, people, to hit that number. That 56. Be like high 55. So we're looking at that. We're going to be looking at that one, see if we can get a puller price on that one. See, can we get a puller price? See, can we get, okay, now let's keep going. Let's look at gold. We wanted to see if we could find one with the even better setup. Gold looks good too to keep going down, believe it or not. Let me look at it again. Gold looks good to drop. RTY has some strength on the top side. Man, we need this one to set up a puller price, and that'd be our last one. That one or gold. Let me look at euro yen. That's one I have not looked at all day, have I? I've not looked at that one all day. That was off balance, so there's nothing we can do with that trade. That trade is off balance for real. Nothing we can do with that one. All right, let me look at gold. And gold might be our last one. That'd be the last trade we're going to go to pound yen, one or the other. But we still got that euro yen too. So, or did that euro yen hit it? I think, yeah, I said, yeah, we hit it already, didn't it? All right. Let me see. I'm still looking. Gold looks good, people, to go down some more. There's nothing we can do with euro yen. That thing is just off balance. It hit a lot of prices. And even if it didn't hit those prices, it was just still off balance. So there's nothing we can do with that one. This is still the one to watch here. This is still the one to watch. We needed to pull back for us. And also, if euro yen gives us another pullback, we can actually take that one as well. If it gives us another puller price somewhere along the line, we can take that one back up as well, because it still has a good price sitting up in those 40s on US yen. Let's see, can we get another one? Ooh. Anybody want to scalp? There's a scalper coming up. I better not do that. I better not do that for y'all. Let's stay with this one. Let's stay with this one. This one looks better. This one looks a lot better. Let's stay right here. Let's stay right here. So let's break down what we're looking at, people. And this most likely gonna be our last one. And that looks good to go up. What we at? What we at on this one? What time is it? Man, that spread is just so high. That spread is just so high. This thing should get back up to that 55, 56 area. That's when it should. Let's see, can we get something out of it? But it does have a price at 33, so we got to be real careful on that one. And let me double check this price, make sure this prices are still solid. Hopefully I didn't forget anything. Because sometimes, since I'm running so many of them right now, I might. That's not good. Hold on. Wait a minute, as my son would say. That's not good. I had that price off just a tad bit. Oh, it looks good. Okay, so we still good. I had that adjusted. It's down to 54. That's where that price is at, that 54. If this gets under 30, we're going to have to take it whether we like it or not, especially within the next 40 minutes. So if this gets under 30, let's watch this. Anywhere 36 and down, we can take that trade. Let's see. See what's going to happen. Man, those spreads are so high. Those spreads are so high. Man, those things are high. That's a $9 spread, people. That's $11 right there. I mean, that right there that's $10 spread. That means we really need, that trade has to be able to really, really move. That spread is high. Let's see, how does it look on the other one then for 1 o'clock? Spread just as bad. Damn, why is that spread so high? I know it's euro yen. I mean, pound yen. I was hoping one of these would be better. That's a high spread. That spread is high. We need that one to get down. We need to get down, especially with us not having a puller price on it. So we're actually chasing it now. I don't like that spread, people. You know, if it was $5 or $6, yes. You know, but we were talking about $10 and $8 because remember, you still got to put, okay, now the spread's getting a little better. Because remember, you still got paid $2 in and $2 out. Damn it, that damn thing just hit one of our prices while I was talking. But the spread was just shitty. I mean, it was crappy. It doesn't matter. You know, that spread on that one, you know, we probably gonna have to look for another one to fill that void, because that spread was just, I mean, we would have made the money, but yeah, there you go. But that spread, you know, I'm gonna have to look and see, can I find something, you know, to cover this one, because that spread was just, you know, that spread is just too high for me. I mean, that's $7. That's, you know, because remember, you got to do $1 in and $1 out on Nadex. So I don't like that spread, man. If we're gonna take a trade like that, man, we need a better puller price or something, or, you know, I mean, we getting in at the, I would say, the right time, but, you know, but I don't like that spread, man. And maybe that's something I'm gonna have to try to adapt to. That's my only Achilles heel in Nadex, man. Is though that time in those spreads, man. I just don't like them, man. I just can't, you know, that's why I very seldom, oh shit, we missed on gold. Gold is dropping like we said it was. Let me see where it's going. Oh, we need to pay attention to gold. We need to pull a price bad. Oh, we need to pull a price bad on gold. We need one bad. Commodities. Gold. Okay, people, we got a strong price to hit that 26 on gold, to hit that 26. So we got a strong price to hit that 26 on gold. Hell, I should have checked these spreads. Let me check. Damn, it definitely knocked that out. That one's done. Let me see how these spreads look. Damn, gold, you worse than them, motherfuckers. I mean, you worse than them. Is it me? Am I looking at these spreads right? Or maybe it's because Forex is about to close at 12. These spreads are crazy. I think that's what it is. Forex is close. Am I right, y'all? Whoever trade Nadex, is Nadex always like that around this time? I have no idea. Okay, so definitely we're gonna have to switch to futures now, because these spreads are way too high. I remember when I used to trade Forex, 12 o'clock, most time people start shutting it down. So let's just switch everything over to futures now, because those spreads are not making any sense. There's no sense us taking, you know, this is a 2 hours, and that's a $16 spread, people. So we're definitely going to stay with the indices now. We'll ride those out from here on out. Now, let me switch everything over to the indices right now. I'm thinking that's what it is. I'm thinking that since the Forex is shutting down at 12 o'clock, most time it kind of dies. That's when the London session leaves. You know, I mean, it still operates, you know, it still operates, but it's just the fact that they're leaving at that time, you know. I'm definitely going to do this tomorrow, just to double check it, to see if I'm wrong or right. Good thing with gold, we can still trade. Well, we can't trade gold on Nadex, and gold doesn't close until 2 o'clock. Why is that spread so damn high? Because gold closes at 2. I'm on certain gold at 130. Why is that so high? Damn. Okay, we're gonna have to stay focused. Let me look at crude oil too. I hope this damn thing ain't crazy like that. It is. I guess that's what it is. At noontime. Okay, hold on. Let me look at the indices. Make sure these damn things don't have no crazy spreads. Because those spreads are crazy, man. Okay, something's coming. Something's coming. What's coming? Something's coming. Those spreads are just jacking up. FOC. I knew something was coming. I knew it. We're gonna stop right there, people, because we can't trade with those spreads. There's no way. Anybody got any questions, anything? That's what it is. Those spreads are coming. The news is coming. I'm like, man, these spreads are crazy highs. And me, damn, I wish we could have got that last $5 out, but it is what it is. Make sure y'all click, like, subscribe, tell your friends, especially if you want me to do this often. We're gonna have to leave it alone. And Art, thanks again, man, for showing up, man. I really appreciate you. Your advice, your advice and your comments are always welcome, man. I really do. I really appreciate you. That's it. Any questions? All right, y'all. We're gonna come back and try this